While covering a distance of 24 km, a man noticed that after walking for 1 hour and 40 minutes, the distance covered is 5 by 7 of the remaining. 5 by 7 of the remaining distance. What was his speed per second? The total distance of a track is 4 km. After moving some distance, man noticed that he had covered 5 by 7 of remaining after 1 hour 40 minute walk. So after 1 hour 40 minute walk, man noticed that he covered 5 by 7 of remaining distance. So what is my remaining distance? This one is my remaining distance. So since my total distance is what? 24, and this distance he already covered, which is 5 by 7 of the remaining distance. So how you approach? First, let the speed of man is x kilometer per hour. जो आपको करना है. So let the man speed is x kilometer per hour. So at this speed, after 1 hour 40 minute walk, after 1 hour 40 minute walk, how much distance he covered? So distance formula is what? My distance formula is speed into time. So this is the formula of speed. Distance equal to speed into time. So how much distance covered? Distance covered by man. So my distance covered by man is speed is x kilometer and time is given in minute. This is kilometer per hour. So you need to convert this into hour first. So this is 1 hour 40 minutes. So 40 minutes converted into hour. So you need to divide this value by 60. This one is gone. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So this is 1 2/3 hour. So this is 3 1s are 3, 2 5 by 3 hour. So at this much time, with this speed, how much distance a man covered? How much distance he covered? Time is 5 by 3. Our distance is x. That means this distance in kilometer man covered already. Now the distance which he covered, you notice that this is 5 by 7 of remaining distance. So what is my remaining distance? This is distance covered. That means from here to here, it is 5 by 3x. From this point to this point, from O to A, this is 5 by 3x, and from O to B, it is 24. So what is my remaining value? So my remaining value, which is AB, how you calculate your remaining value? This is 24 minus 5 by 3x. 5 by 3x. So this is 372. 24 is 72 minus 5x divided by 3. This is my remaining work. Okay, this is my remaining work. Okay, now you equate the distance remaining. This is my remaining distance in kilometer. Now this is in kilometer and this is also in kilometer. You can equate equation number 1 and 2 both. Okay, so this 5 by 3x, which is equal to how? 5 by 7. 5 by 7 of what? Remaining work. Remaining work is 72 minus 5x divided by 3. So 5 and 5 gone. So this x is equal to 3 and 3 also gone. So this is 72 minus 5x divided by 7. Cross multiply to 7x is equal to 72 minus 5x. So 5x plus 7x, 12x is equal to 72. 12 6 are 72. So my x value is equal to 6. So this is 6 kilometer per hour. So this is, you need to calculate. जो approach simple था. सबसे पहले हमने assume किया what is the speed of the man at this particular speed, how much distance he covered in this hour, 5 by 3 hour. तो पहले वो distance निकाल लिया, and this distance is how much? 5 by 7 of remaining work. This distance is how much? This distance is how much? 5 by 7 of remaining work. And what is my remaining distance? Remaining distance is what? Remaining distance is 24 minus of this, you will get this value. So this is this much. You just substitute this value and you will get the answer. the man speed is what? 6 km per hour. Peter can cover a distance in 1 hour 24 minutes by covering 2/3 of the distance at 4 km per hour and the rest at 5 km per hour. So 2/3 of distance is covered by 4 km and 1/3 distance at the rate of 5 km. Find the total distance. तो टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस का दूसरा अनदर क्वेश्चन है. यहां पर आपको डिस्टेंस की वैल्यू को इक्वेट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, टाइम वैल्यू दे रखी है तो टाइम को इक्वेट कर सकते हैं, डिस्टेंस को इक्वेट कर सकते हैं. कैसे करेंगे आप देखिए. लेट द डिस्टेंस covered by Peter is x kilometer. Okay, now what is the formula of distance? Distance formula is equal to, distance is equal to what is, sorry, speed is equal to what? Distance upon time. This is the formula of distance. Time value is mentioned, total distance is covered. Let the total distance is x and this total distance is covered by how much? 1 hour 24 minutes. This is in kilometer, so convert this value into r. So 1 hour 24 divided by 60, 12 24 12 60. So this is 1 2 by 5, so this is 7 by 5 r. Okay, now what question mentioned? Question mentioned that he covered the distance x, the total distance x, 2/3 of the distance, 2/3 of the distance, 2/3 of the distance, total distance is x. So 2/3 of the distance he covered with 4 km per hour. And what is the remaining one? If this is x, 2/3 is already gone, so remaining work is how much? Remaining distance is how much? X minus 2 by 3x. So this is 3x minus 2x, x by 3. So this one is remaining distance. And this remaining distance Peter covered with a speed of 5 km per hour. Now, so this distance mentioned है, speed mentioned है, तो distance upon time, so distance upon speed. So what is distance upon speed? Distance upon speed is time. Time is equal to what? Distance upon speed. Because the time value is given to you, so I can equate this. This is in equation form. From here to here, let t1 time is consumed by Peter, and from here to here t2 time is लगता है उसे कवर करने में. That is equal to total time. Total time given है 7 by 5 hour. So what is t1 value? But t1 value is distance upon time. Distance is how much? 2x by 3 divided by speed is what? 4 km per hour plus t2 is what? Again t2 is what? Time is how you calculate time? Distance upon speed. Distance is what? X by 3 divided by 5 km per hour. The total time in r is given to you 7 by 5. Now simply solve this equation, you will get answer. So this is 2x by 3 4 are 12 plus x by 15 is equal to 7 by 5. Now take LCM. So 16 बार 5 5 10x 10x plus 5 15 4 is 60, 4x is equal to 7 by 5. So this is how much? 14x divided by 60 is equal to 7 by 5. So 7 2s are 30. So x equal to 30 by 5. So 30 by 5 means x is equal to 6 distance. So this is in kilometer. So the total distance which Peter covered is equal to 6 km. So I hope this idea is clear to you. तो यहाँ पे जो concept है वो concept क्या है? क्या value given थी? Formula एक ही है, वो है speed is equal to distance upon time. What the value mentioned? 2x distance is mentioned with respect to speed given to you. So this distance divided by time, the speed will give you time. Distance divided by speed will give you time. And the total time is given to you. So this t1 plus t2 is equal to total time. So my total time is divided into 2 parts, t1 and t2. So I just equate the time equation. I maintain what? Time equation. Here this is what? Time equation. Time equation. So in डिस्टेंस एंड टाइम, कभी कभी आपको टाइम इक्वेशन बनाना पड़ता है, कभी आपको डिस्टेंस का इक्वेशन बनाना पड़ता है, और कभी कभी आपको स्पीड का इक्वेशन बनाना पड़ता है। सो जो भी वैल्यू गिवन होती है उसके रेस्पेक्ट में आपको देखना है कि कौन सा इक्वेशन, कौन सा टाइम इक्वेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है, या डिस्टेंस इक्वेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है, या स्पीड इक्वेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो इस तरीके से आप जो भी वैल्यू आपको निकालनी है, यू कैन इजीली गेट इनटू द सॉल्यूशन। बट इन टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस में होता क्या है कि आप नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन अगर आपने ज्यादा लगा रखा है तो आपको धीरे धीरे आइडिया हो जाता है कि मुझे कौन सा इक्वेशन यूज करना है, whether I am using time equation or distance equation or speed equation. The basic formula is same, but the value which is given in the numerical, based on that you can proceed only.